guys, welcome to my channel. Today it's time to cook again for dinner. So we gotta have some dinner. So it's today I'm gonna cook the biscuits and beef. So with gravy. So yeah, so stay tuned and let me get started. So I have here is biscuits mix. So I made it myself. Is my own biscuits mix. So I'm gonna add 2 cups of flour here. So this is half a cup cheese. And then I'm gonna just eyeball it 3/4 cup of buttermilk. You can tell the dough that it's, have enough liquid. Basically, it's not hard to tell, right? But if I get too much, you know what I can do, right? Add some more of this quick mix. So yeah, I think I could use a little bit more. Okay, so that's like dusting. See if I can fold it. Yes, it is. Together. Now guys, I need to add 1 tablespoon of that. It makes a big difference. 1 tablespoon. So there you go. So I got it. I'll just need some sprinkle flour here so I can work in here. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna press it down. Okay. go. So I'm gonna bake to this parchment paper. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit in there. So, okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some a little of milk. Just brush with milk. Okay, so it's ready to bake. Goes to the oven 400 degrees. Very hot. Biscuits is in the oven. So, oops. The biscuits is done. Yummy, yummy. It's done. It's very hot. Looking delicious, guys. Look at that biscuits. Ooh, look at the bottom. Oh, see? Done. So I have to leave it cool and eat them. So look at this guy. I'm gonna eat before before dinner. So yummy. So wait, look at the cheese. Ooh. It's yummy. Oops, I Mmm. The cheese. Let me see the light. You can't see because of the light. Saan ba yung camera? Naluluka na ako. Guys, I keep looking in the screen. Here's the lids right here. Okay, camera, look at me. I'm eating hot biscuits. What's that? Look at this. Look at that cheese. Look at this smoker, steamy. Man. Have some. on. I'm not finished cooking, so but I'm just gonna show you how good this one is. Okay, stay tuned so I can cook my beef. The beef style goes to the biscuits.